What's going on, guys? So it's been a minute. Something's missing from right here, so I'm gonna round up all my cars in here. All cars as in two. Alrighty, so both cars are in the shop. This one's just stored in the corner, but this was pushed up. Alright, this one doesn't really like the cold. I don't know if you guys can hear it start from all the way back inside, but yeah, she doesn't really like the cold. She needs a little bit of time to warm up and then it runs properly and everything like that, but it's okay. It's okay. But this one's perfect. Other than the fact that I need brakes, because these pads probably have like a millimeter left on them. I should probably get that taken care of. I have pads for it. I just haven't had time to do it, I guess. What are we doing today? That one. I kind of want to get into the gist of kind of uploading daily, even though it's not that interesting. I just feel like it'd be better for my channel. Got a box right here, but I don't know, just daily stuff. I mean, I've been sick for the past like 3 weeks, and it's just been killing me. I just finished editing my IS38 video, so should be expecting that soon. Let's open this up and I'll show you what I got. I was just browsing on Amazon and this popped up. I'm like, wow, that's really cheap. This is like AliExpress pricing. So this is it right there. I'll put a link to this in the description down below. But so if you can't tell what it is already, it is brake pedals. So the S3 and RS3 come with these, but the A3, at least the non-S-Line version, comes with these boring ones. I think I'm going to put these on today. Other thing I want to do is, for this car, I don't even know if you could have seen me, is install this LED light. Or at least wire it in so that I can drive at night, because right now I can't. And I forgot to fix that bumper because it's unbolting and it's sagging, which is pissing me off. But I was either planning on installing it like this, but I kind of want to install it like up in here so that it's kind of hidden. This would be ideal, but I don't know how this plate will hold up to it. I don't know yet. No, this is on the agenda, and I think that's it. I mean, I checked the timing today, which I forgot to film for this car because I want to make sure the timing was good. Yeah, it's a mess in here. Don't mind that. Don't mind that. I had a lot of customers yesterday, and today I have a Tesla getting dropped off. So, basically dropped my camera right there, just fumbled with it. But yeah, I mean, just trying to stay busy. And I had some time to film this now. So I'm gonna grab my light right here. Hopefully it's battery. It does. And I'm gonna put it right in here. Yes, I know it's very dirty, but it's winter, so don't hate. Gotta see if these just clip on over, or are they full replacements? Oh, that was easy. Nice. I don't think this comes off though. No, that looks like it's part. Yeah. Alright, what about this? Oh, nice. Oops. Oopsie. There we go. Let's put on this one first. So, like that. Nice. Let's put this one on then. All right. Mint. I think that's... probably could clip it in better. Oh. Okay. There's that. Yep. Got her, boys. Mint. Nice. Cart. And now, time to figure out this garbage. Alright, I'm gonna flip you around over here to show you what I got. Went to Harbor Freight quickly because I forgot I didn't have any tools to solder. So, got myself a soldering iron for like $4. Okay, that fell apart. I think it's got a little stand for it. Nice, cute little stand. Okay, that's one item. And then I also got myself some heat shrink because I'm going to be cutting the wire. I also got myself some electrical tape just in case. And then some it's lead free, but just the solder itself, the wire. So alright, so I'm just going to test it quickly, see what connection I should use, or if it doesn't matter. Let's see these puppers. Red goes to this one, black goes to that one. Alright, well, that one works. Let's see, this one probably will work also. Yep. Alright, so it doesn't matter which one I cut up. Okay. So I know I don't need this much wire, but I'll still save some just... There we go. It's nice right there. And let's slide over some... Okay. Ooh, that's warm. Still not warm enough. Okay. Seems like a good connection right there. Let's place this down. Alrighty. Now time to do the ground. Squeeze out a little more. Alright, well, this second one was a little bit more difficult. I don't know why, but she ain't so pretty. But it'll do. The heat shrink wrap. not do good because it shrank. Are you kidding? We should be all good to go. A little bit more tape. All right, let's test it out. Ooh. Heck yeah. I kind of just want to just do it like that and just say screw it. That's probably what I'm gonna do right now. Bada bing, bada boom, all done. You know, that doesn't even look half bad. You can barely see it. I'll leave it on like that for now. Let's see what that looks like. Ooh. Let's turn off the lights. Oh, instead of shining down, it's shining up. That's dope. No lie. Can't see where I'm going. Let's see if this Tesla guy's here. Nope. Not here yet. Alright, so 2 things done for the cars. Or 1 thing each. New foot pedals. LED license plate light is on. That's really bright actually. Look at this dual caliper setup. Got a video for that too. Gotta add it and post it. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. I don't know if it's gonna be a quick video, but 2 things done. Tomorrow, I don't know if there's anything else. Oh, tomorrow's gonna be Tesla day, so paint correcting it, and then hopefully applying ceramic coating by the end of the day. We'll see though. We'll see how bad it is. But yeah. Stay tuned. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Make sure you leave a like if you liked it. If you didn't, alright, don't like it. Tell me why you didn't like it. But yeah. See you guys next video. Peace.